Want to grow your Instagram without showing your face? It's totally possible. First, focus on a niche. Whether it's travel, food, or fitness, make sure your content resonates with your audience. Use high-quality visuals and consistent themes to create a cohesive feed. Next, leverage trending hashtags and geotags to increase your reach. Engage with your community by responding to comments and DMs promptly. Post regularly, but prioritize quality over quantity. Utilize Instagram stories and reels to add dynamic content and keep followers engaged. Stories are perfect for behind-the-scenes looks, while reels can showcase quick tips or entertaining snippets. For growth hacks, collaborate with other creators in your niche. Shoutouts can introduce your profile to new audiences. Invest time in learning about Instagram's algorithm. Understanding it can help you stay ahead. Monetization is key, so explore affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling digital products like ebooks or courses. Lastly, analyze your insights to understand what's working and what's not. Adapt your strategy based on this data to ensure continuous growth. With these tips, you can build a strong, engaging, and profitable Instagram presence without ever showing your face.